Imagine this. The universe contains hundreds of billions of galaxies. Each galaxy contains billions of stars. Around many of those stars are planets. Statistically, there should be millions, perhaps billions, of alien civilizations. So, here's the question. Where is everybody? Why haven't we detected alien signals? Why haven't we seen giant alien megastructures? Why does the universe appear so silent? This mystery is known as the Fermi Paradox, and one of its most chilling solutions is something called the Great Filter. Today, we're going to explore a theory that suggests nearly every intelligent civilization in the universe eventually fails. And the most terrifying part? We don't know if humanity has already passed the Great Filter or if it's still waiting for us in the future. The Fermi Paradox. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a simple question. Where is everybody? Given the age and size of the universe, intelligent civilizations should have had plenty of time to spread across galaxies. Even if interstellar travel is difficult, a civilization millions of years older than ours should leave detectable signs. Yet when astronomers look into space, they find silence. No confirmed alien signals, no alien spacecraft, no evidence of galaxy-spanning civilizations, just an enormous cosmic emptiness. This contradiction became known as the Fermi Paradox. What is the Great Filter? To explain this paradox, economist Robin Hanson proposed a fascinating idea known as the Great Filter. The theory suggests that somewhere between dead matter and an advanced spacefaring civilization, there is an incredibly difficult barrier, a barrier so hard to overcome that almost no civilization survives it. Think of civilization as climbing a giant staircase. Each step represents a major evolutionary milestone. Formation of a habitable planet, emergence of life, complex cells, multicellular organisms, intelligent beings, advanced technology, interstellar colonization. If one of these steps is nearly impossible, then very few civilizations would ever reach the top. That impossible step is the Great Filter. Has the filter already happened? Now comes the hopeful possibility. Maybe humanity has already passed the Great Filter. Perhaps the hardest step was the origin of life itself. Scientists still don't fully understand how lifeless chemicals transformed into the first self-replicating organisms. Maybe that event was so incredibly rare that it has happened only once in our region of the universe. Or perhaps complex cells were the difficult step. On Earth, simple life appeared relatively early, but complex cells took billions of years to evolve. Maybe that's the real bottleneck. If this is true, humanity may already be among the rare survivors, and our future could be bright. The terrifying possibility. But there is another possibility. What if the Great Filter lies ahead of us? What if civilizations commonly reach our level of technology and then destroy themselves? This is where the theory becomes unsettling. Potential future filters could include nuclear war, climate catastrophe, engineered pandemics, resource collapse, artificial intelligence gone wrong, unknown cosmic threats. Any of these could prevent a civilization from becoming interstellar. Imagine thousands of alien civilizations across the universe. Each one discovers advanced technology. Each one believes it has a bright future. And then, something happens. They vanish, leaving behind only silence. Why finding alien life could be bad news? This is perhaps the strangest part of the Great Filter theory. Most people think discovering alien life would be exciting. But according to some interpretations of the Great Filter, finding simple alien life could actually be alarming. Why? Because if life emerges easily throughout the universe, then the difficult step probably isn't behind us. It means the real filter may be waiting somewhere ahead. In other words, the more common life appears to be, the more dangerous our future might become. It's a deeply unsettling conclusion. A new possibility, AI as the filter. Recently, some researchers have suggested another candidate: artificial intelligence. The idea is that civilizations may develop superintelligent AI before becoming a stable, multiplanetary species. If that technology becomes uncontrollable, it could end civilizations before they spread beyond their home worlds. This doesn't mean AI will destroy humanity, but it highlights a broader point. The more powerful a civilization becomes, the greater the risks it creates for itself. The big question. So where are we on this cosmic journey? Have we already passed the hardest obstacle? Or are we approaching it right now? No one knows. The Great Filter remains one of the most fascinating and disturbing ideas in modern science, because it doesn't just ask why aliens are missing. It asks whether intelligent civilizations are destined to survive at all. And somewhere out there, among countless stars and countless worlds, the answer may already exist, hidden in the silence of the universe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comments, do you think humanity has already passed the Great Filter, or is the worst still ahead of us? Because the answer to that question may determine the future of our entire species.